Hello and welcome back to the shop. Today we are going to take a look at the Klein Tools MODbox KNECT metric half-inch drive impact socket set. That is deep. There's a lot there. This runs from 10mm to 24mm. Comes with some adapters and is made in Taiwan if you're keeping track. Okay, let's get into this thing. So first off, you have a nice arrangement of sockets here. Not really skipping a whole lot other than 20 and 23, which I don't know if I've ever used a 20 and a 23. I guess 11's not in here. But overall, most everything's here. These are really nice sockets. They have a nice deep throat to them. They are color-coded. They have really nice, maybe we can see it here on this one, they have really nicely struck and filled with paint numbers on them. So that is not just painted, that is struck into the socket and then it is painted. I don't know if you can make that out or not, but that is really nice. Nice and large for identification. I really like that. The Klein Tools is laser etched and will eventually wear off, but that's okay. You will not lose your size. These are half-inch drive and they have the hole straight through them. So if you're doing something with an impact that you have to put the locking clip on, these sockets are already set up for that. They look like they're really well laid out for that. If you look down inside, the hex part of the socket does not go all the way down, much like a lot of your better quality sockets, like your Snap-ons and your SKs. They don't have the hex channel go all the way down into the socket, which is a nice feature. The engagement area for the impact is very well made, has lots of metal around there. These sockets are half-inch drives, so that means you could grab any one of these and grab your classic Klein Tools Ratchet, line up the ball detent, stick it on there, and just start using it like any other socket you've ever used with your classic Klein Tools Ratchet. It also comes with this adapter for the KNECT set, and while it does not come with a KNECT ratchet, you can use the adapter with it, with one, and use it now as a ratchet. I will say these hold pretty well, but you're going to lose the adapter with the socket before the socket comes off the adapter. That actually holds, that ball detent holds on there pretty well. This is something short that is pretty hard to grab onto actually, so not like it's a big deal. It holds, which is a good thing. You can also go ahead and use this set with an impact tool, your favorite 1/4 inch impact tool. You have the ability to run it, and it runs good. Something nice about this is that this adapter has some extra metal right here at the end, making it a little stronger, which I really like to see on this half-inch adapter for sockets. Now, this is something that we saw in the 3/8 set, that they didn't include the adapter for a 1/4 inch hex drive ratchet impact with the 3/8 set. That comes separately in 2 other sets. Kind of interesting. So I'm really happy to see that in here. The extension's very well made. Like many other extensions that are impact rated, this is a ball detent style extension. and it does not have the pass-through opening like the sockets do, which is okay because it's still just a ball detent extension, but goes on the sockets wonderfully. Good engagement, doesn't wiggle. Everything's nice and tight. So overall, I really like this set. I think it's a good set even for beginners. Something that I like to point out to people if they're starting out and buying things is if you don't have any sockets whatsoever, maybe you want to consider starting out buying a set of impact sockets over your standard chrome non-impact sockets, because a lot of times while you're working in the trade, you're going to get one of these out and put your sockets on it, and then if you don't have impact rated sockets, you may damage your sockets, and then you're going to be going out and buying a set of impact sockets anyway. So if you just start, if you don't have anything already, consider buying a set of impact sockets, because then you'll have what you need. You can always put your old school ratchet on an impact socket and never have any problems whatsoever with it. But you can't always take your non-impact sockets and put them on an impact gun and not blow them up. So, let me know in the comments below, do you have this set? Do you like this set? What do you not like about this set? I'm curious to know. Keep a dialogue going about these things to keep guys informed. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.